Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, will you just look at it? I mean, seriously, we could just walk around it for a minute and I could walk away and you'll know what you're looking at. If you look up and close at this bike and see how perfect it really is. It's a spectacular specimen and one of my favorites. Our company logo was actually the AW400 MAICO. This is the MC400, a couple years newer. And this is the folder for it. This is the restoration folder. All the pictures of the before, during, and after restoration in here, and a ton of receipts. There was over 100 hours of shop labor into this bike and over $7,000 in parts at $150 an hour, plus the $7,000 in parts. You're looking at a $22,000 frame off restoration of, when you see the picture, you'll be like, why did you do a frame off? Well, sometimes for some clients, perfection is more important than the money, and they want perfection. And this one was done for Chip Watkins, the CEO of Watkins Motor Freight. And it is absolutely freaking spectacular. The frame has 3 coats of primer, 3 coats of paint, and 3 coats of clear on it, which is something that we've never done here before, as does the fuel tank, which is a absolutely spectacular paint job of a perfect tank. The running gear on this bike, Danny Magoo Chandler. This is a Danny Magoo Chandler. If you don't know who he is, Google it. He was a spectacular, one of the most entertaining racers ever in the American motocross scene. He used to do massive jumps on these MAICOs, way bigger. He'd go way bigger than anybody else. And his bikes weren't this good back then. And I'll tell you why. Well, this has modern Ohlins suspension on the rear here. That's a brand new $1,000 pair of piggyback shocks, custom made for this motorcycle. The wheel set is Talon hubs. Everything's brand new. There's nothing that hasn't been replaced. It's brand new on the wheel. The hubs, the bearings, the rims, the spokes, Takasago XL rims on Talon hubs. Look at these hubs. They're absolutely freaking gorgeous. XL spokes, just beautiful. That's a $160 gold sprocket on there with the top of the line gold chain, like no expenses spared. The wheel set was about $2,000 for the wheel set. Then you can see the engine has been not only completely rebuilt from the crank up, but also has been upgraded to electron carburetor with the see-through bowl on it and a custom intake, which is probably the best upgrade you could ever do to one of these MCs. That electron just works spectacular. You can see the cases were bead blasted. The engine covers are painted with the gold pinstriping. New piston, new rings, new base gasket, new head gasket. The crank seals and bearings are new. It has a new DEP racing exhaust on it. So the entire engine and powertrain is all brand new, including the countershaft sprocket and the billet countershaft protector. The way this thing runs is absolutely spectacular. It also has an answer silencer, which was polished and then clear coated and repacked. Coming around this side, you can see it has a brand new shifter on it. The Kickstarter's in brand new restored condition, like NOS brand new. New fuel lines, new fuel petcock. Just a no expense spared spectacular rebuild. The original MAICO forks have been restored inside and outside. They're in spectacular condition. The chrome is perfect on them. The seals are new. Springs are new, and you can see the matching Talon hub on the front there, which are custom ordered and made to look like the originals, but they're much, much higher quality. These wheels are trued beautifully. The front tire is new, the tube is new, the front brakes are all new. If you come around this side, you'll see everything's well sorted and brand new. The forks are beautifully painted like the rest of the bike. The triple clamps are restored, new roller head bearings. These are air forks also. The front number plate is new, the front fender is new, the handlebars are new. These are new Magura levers, perches, new cables, new protectors, new grips, new kill switch. Everything is new from here up. The saddle's been rebuilt with new foam and a new seat cover. It has new side covers, a full new graphics package, brand new rear fender. And look at all the hardware on this bike. There's not a single nut and bolt on this bike that's not either NOS or brand new or upgraded. It's as close to brand new. It's actually way better than it was new, not even close. You can't even compare the original carburation on this bike compared to 40 years later, the top of the line Electron. It's carbureted and jetted beautifully. The pipe is an upgrade. The suspension's a massive upgrade. The wheels, the tires, everything on it is modern, but it looks exactly like it was supposed to look when Danny swung a leg over his. So good luck finding a nicer one. It's the nicest one I've ever had here at the museum. It's what we call a spectacular, no expense spared restoration done for somebody who can afford the best. The only reason it's coming up for sale is Chip elected to change. Well, he wants to keep it fresh and he only has so much room. So he decided to go back to one brand, Honda. So he's been collecting more Hondas, and this is one of the 17 bikes that he asked us to resell for him. We sold this to Chip some time ago, I think 3 or 4 or 5 years ago. Don't know exactly, but it was one of the 8 bikes we had sold Chip for his collection, and it's coming up again. It's this bike is ready to take to Unadilla and huck the sky shot, rip through the whoops, launch it in the gravity cavity. I mean, this thing is ready to do some serious damage on the race scene, or hang it from the roof of your man room, or display it in the museum where it's going to be until the new owner picks it up. If you buy it and you want to leave here, we'd be honored to leave it on display here, right where it is, as a centerpiece of the New England Motorcycle Museum. If you have any questions, give us a call. I think the riding demo explains everything you need to know about this bike. It's pure perfection. Thank you for watching. God bless America, and rest in peace, Danny Magoo Chandler, a true American hero.